Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add payment methods on Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official squarespace.com website right here if you've not already. After opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your Squarespace account. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can find all the websites you have, and what you want to do is go ahead and open up the website that you want to set up payment methods for. So you can go ahead and click on the website option right here. That's going to open up your website and this main page where you can find all the sections you can access, such as pages, styles, and so on. So what we want to do is right here on the left side of the screen, scroll down until we can find this settings option right here. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up the settings option right here. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this menu right here where you can find all the sections such as website, domains, and so on. What we want to do is go ahead and find the selling option right here. So click on selling, and after selecting selling guys, you can see that under selling now one of the options is going to be called payments. So what you want to do is open up payments, and under payments guys, now you can get started with connecting what kind of payment methods we want. So you can go ahead and select your PayPal payment method or whatever you want to use and get started with providing all the details to start using it. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.